Welcome to this third video in my coffee bar build series. In this video, I'm building the top, and I'm going to get started by cutting down the plywood. To make the top, I'm gluing two 1/2-inch plywood panels together and adding 3/4-inch poplar edge banding. I like to rough cut the panels a little oversized and cut them to their final dimensions after gluing them together. This takes some of the stress off lining up the panels when doing the glue up. So my battery ran out while I was gluing up the two sheets that'll make up the top. Now that the glue is dry, I can true up one side, which will be the reference for squaring the top. I'm using my DIY MFT tabletop, bench dogs, and track saw to cut one side perpendicular to my reference edge, and can then cut down the opposite sides to final length using my parallel guides. I'm ripping the 3/4-inch poplar edge banding close to the plywood panel width. This will minimize the amount of planing and sanding I have to do after gluing it in place. To glue the edge banding on the plywood, I'm using painter's tape for the short sides and clamps for the longer ones. To reduce stress, I'm not gluing all the edges at once. I'm staining the top of this table, so I want to make sure that I get any of the excess glue off of the surface. So I'm going to let these 3 sides dry before I try and put the 4th one on. It's just, I find it a lot less stressful to do fewer sides. And it doesn't take long for the glue to set up, so probably in half an hour I can go ahead and put the other side, the last side on. Now that the glue is dried, I can carefully plane and sand the poplar edge banding, making sure it's flush with the plywood. Just have to be really careful with the super thin plywood veneer. And with one side done, I can flip the panel over and repeat the process on the other side. Well, that'll wrap up this 3rd video in my coffee bar build series. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll be adding doors, drawers, and hardware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.